her professionalism. Maski sino po ang maging boss, talagang wala po sa kanya yon, no? Talagang she's very dedicated sa trabaho niya at napakaganda hong makipagtrabaho sa kanya. In fact,
pero naya po si Mama sa akin, yung for baby ko po si Malos. And that being said, I would like to say that I appreciate all the things that you do. I'm very fortunate that at my age, you still take care of me. So, wala tayong choice kasi wala akong
Saan ka ba naiiyak? Sa mama mo, sa wala kang ginagawa? Sa bayan? Pumunta ka ng Southridge.
Ayun lang, please know that I really appreciate everything and all what you want is all the best for you. I would like to take this opportunity to everyone who's here and for being patient and understanding po sa biglaan message ko po. Thank you sa pag-acknowledge. Sobrang thank you po sa pagpunta. Sobrang happy po ni Mama na nandito kayo kasi yun po talaga, may kwento ko na po kasi before siguro 68 or 69 years old siya, I asked her what she wants for her 70th birthday. Kasi I want, I asked her if she wants to travel or have a party like this. And she told me na she wants po.
Why not?
Why not?
Kasi sobrang love ko ni Mami. Lahat kayo, high school, elementary.
Part of the program. But then after consulting many friends, they said, it's okay, it's good to do it this time. As you know, we're a family, how do you say it? We're not rich, we're not poor, we're surviving. We're a middle-income family, and kita ko lagi how Mom would budget all the money for the expenses of the family. Kaya minsan kapag maraming gatherings, you would see na how, di mo maiwasan that you compare other people kasi they're very blessed. Pero kami at least kahit ganito nakakaya. So, lumaki kami hindi branded yung mga gamit namin. Divisoria, Green Hills, Quiapo. Hanggang sa nagtatrabaho na ako, nagdala ko na rin siya, hindi ako mahilig sa mga branded. Pero laki ako, naging pangarap ko na once we have the capacity, we'll give Mom what she deserves. And today I have a very simple one surprise kasi nga hindi siya may click sa branded. Kahapon nung bumibili po kami ng step in, napakaluma step in. Nung kwento ko sa friends, hindi man ang sandals, step in. Ayaw din niya ng mahal kasi nga sobrang yun naman po yung ina-admire ko kay Mami, very good mag-budget. But now that thank God that we have the capacity, my sisters and I have a special gift for you, Mom. This will be your first ever
Hindi ko kaya.
branded bag. Kasi kahapon nung nandun kami sa Gateway, naglalakad kami ni Mama, ako naka-Michael Kors. Pinagya ba? Hindi naman.
Hindi ikaw.
Kasi dadaling kita, kasi outlet. Pero nakita ko yung bag ni Mama kahapon. So talagang sabi ko, she really deserves something like this. And of course, no money, no amount can replace everything Mama's done. But
gusto ko rin minsan yung wala minsan masama mag-flex. Because you deserve this, ma'am, with all your hard work. So this bag is for you, and I hope you'll be able to use this in the future events with your friends and our family. Kasi dati, syempre nakikita ko yung mga friends niya, yung mga kamag-anak din namin. Sabi ko, sana someday mabilihan ko si mama ng branded, something branded, and finally, the time has come. So, happy birthday and we love you. Mamaya mo na buksan.
Pagka-Quiapo daw sila, kitawin niya sa Quiapo.
Apo. Paper pack lang yan actually. So yun po, so again, thank you and tawagin ko na si LA. Ayan. So,
Good afternoon po ulit, everyone. So, as you all know, I am the fake bride today. And thank you very much po sa pagdating nyo. At congratulations to all of us po because this is a success. Surprise birthday party for Mami. So talaga, yun, narinig natin yung message niya kanina na as in, clueless. Doon lang. Doon nakita niya si Umba. Although, yun pa rin. Wala pa rin daw po siyang idea kasi nga, I made it really na panindigan. Sige, panindigan natin na mag-count para lang palabas natin kay Mami na this is my event, but actually, this is yours, Mom. This is how we love you. Ito pong lahat nito, itong kaganapan nito ay para talaga kay Mami. And kaya, ito po, ang message ko na rin talaga is thank you message for everyone, for coming here, for giving your time para po pumunta dito. Kasi, ayun nga po, halos uulitin ko lang yung sinabi ni May na talagang lahat po kayo, minimension ni Mami na mimiss niya kayo and kung gaano niya gustong makita kayo ulit lahat. So, thank you very much for your love, for the message that you have given, Mami. And, ayun po, thank you for making this day a very special, wonderful, and very memorable day po para kay Mami. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo from the bottom of our hearts. Maraming salamat po. Napasaya natin. Napasaya ka nga ba namin? Kita-kita nyo naman daw po yung iyak niya. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo, sa time nyo, sa shared memories nyo po kay Mami, sa lahat po ng messages yung nalaman po namin. Actually, we already know gaano ka-hardworking si Mami. Ayun, lahat. Parang isasample lang po lahat ng naging message nila. Talagang, ano, sasabihin ko ba? Sobrang, I salute you. Yung nabasa ko bang diary, I very salute you. I'm very proud to be your daughter. You're a very wonderful mom. We thank God na ikaw yung Mami namin kasi talaga sasabihin ko po, gusto ko po maging inang kagaya niya. Gusto kong mapalaki yung anak ko kung paano niya kami pinalaki. Ganun ko po talaga isasabihin. I love you very much. Hindi ko kayang i-express kung gaano ko kasaya. At dumating kayong lahat. Hindi ko na-expect talagang surprise ito sa akin. Parang all wishes are granted. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Walang katapusang pasasalamat sa inyong lahat.
Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Ayan.
Birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Akin na lang! Yay! Surprise!
Nakita nyo lang?
Sinabi niya na, hindi, nagkikwentuhan na nga doon. Sabi niya, akala ko talaga kasal niyo, may regalo pa naman ako. Tapos, edi nagbibilang. Sabi ko, may tuloy na natin. May 15,000 na sana tayo. Tuloy yung kasal.
Thank you, Mother!
Ay, Mother. Love you, Mother. Pwede bang wag na ibalik to, Mother? Surprise!